Vajracchedikā, 300 lines, prajñāpāramitā. Hail to the blessed saint Prajñāpāramitā. This is the word as I heard it once when the Lord was staying in Shravasti in Jethro's Grove at the monastery of Anathapindada together with a large community of monks, 1250 monks strong. Then the Lord got dressed in the morning, took his bowl and robe, and entered the great city of Shravasti for alms. Then after walking around the great city of Shravasti for alms, the Lord returned in the afternoon after eating the alms food, washed his feet, and sat down on the seat set up for him with legs crossed, body held erect, and attention directed in front of him. Then a great many monks approached the Lord, and after approaching him, they prostrated themselves at the Lord's feet, circumambulated the Lord 3 times, and sat down to one side.